Hey, what is up, guys? Today we are going to talk about a person who co-founded $2 trillion company. Yes, we are going to learn about Paul Allen, the co-founder of Microsoft, and try to learn some learning from his life. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So the first lesson that we can learn is have a dream. Okay, he was literally from childhood really passionate about computer and software, and the thing is, he has said in an interview, the most important thing a man needs after food and air is a dream. Without dream, he may be living, but there is no purpose of living. So first lesson, have a proper dream. So the second lesson he shares is share your dream. Okay, what is our local mentality that if we share our dream, he will stole, but he says exactly it is opposite. Okay, if you share your dream, they will tell you more ways to achieve it, and it will be really helpful, and rather you will feel empowered rather than pressurized. So please do share with your dreams. So the third lesson we can take from his life is to work with positive people. Okay, that is really helpful in building a successful business. The most important tip for starting a successful business is have a positive team. Okay, one rotten mango can make all mangoes spoil. The third and probably the most important tip I will give in this video is learn from your failure. He says each failure contains the seed of your next success only and only if you are willing to learn from it. Okay? So make sure you learn from your failures. The fifth lesson is think smart. Okay? Everyone is working really hard. A laborer is working 8 to 10 hours a day, but they are not the paid the most. Think really smart. Look, let me tell you a fact. The most highly paid job in the world are creative thinking. Now just think about it. So what it says is do smart work rather than hard. Hard work is important, but up to a point. Now from going this to up, you need smart work, and you will do it. So the next tip is good thing can came from bad. So don't say that was my bad luck. Let me tell you an incident. When Bill Gates and Paul Allen were there having dispute between them, and Paul Allen decided to leave. So the shareholding pattern 60 or 65% contains Bill Gates, and rather 40 or 35% contains Paul Allen. Bill Gates offered him $5 for one share, and he was containing billion. Paul refused it. He knew the worth of Microsoft. And then when the share turned 21, you know what I mean to say. The seventh lesson is always dream big. Shoot for it. Even if you fail, that should not be your aim. But you will rather hit something, at least something, if you shoot for big. If you shoot for small, you will go nowhere. But if you shoot here, you will at least get up to here. And if you want to shoot here, your aim is here, then rather you will go here. So always dream big. Don't make any dream doesn't need money. So dream as big as you can. Why only the mayor of city? Think I'll be the president of the country. Dream big. 8 lesson probably my favorite is be curious. Look how awesome it is. I'm recording here and you're watching it in your own house in hoodies and 3/4. Be curious and start asking the reason. Why am I looking at this? How can I see you guys this away? Okay, you really don't need to become a scientist, but be curious. Ask some basic question. Okay, why the wheel is circular? Why isn't it square? Because it probably won't move. It is easy to move a circular. So start being curious. You will see the result. So the ninth lesson is learn. Okay, you really need to learn how to become successful. It's not like I have uploaded video now and I open my YouTube after 1 month and I say, oh my god, I have crossed 1 million. Currently I have 12 subscribers. And please, if you are watching this video till here, please subscribe this. I am working really hard to deliver content every day, and I am to do this for 1,000 days. So the 10th topic from him is charity. You really need to do charity. Look, if you have $1 million and you donate $1,000, that's not a great thing. But you have $100 and you donated $50, literally half. That's the great thing. Even if you have $1, at least give him 20 to 30 pennies. Charity doesn't need money, charity needs heart. I know you got it. So with this note, let's finish the topic, boys. I'm working really hard. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like, and please comment down the person from whose life you will like to learn something. I will really dive in his part and take some learning, probably that can change your entire life and create a new makeover. So with this note, let's end this video.